Central Mindanao University also na naadiri karon. So stand by for now and I'll be giving you some updates after this. Stay tuned!
The University of Science of Southern Philippines does not walk its journey alone. I believe you are our strong partners in collaboration, and USTP has done so many things for the last 5 years, and that is because of strong partnership and collaboration. Every major step we have taken, every milestone we have celebrated, every challenge we have overcome has been strengthened by the partners who choose to work with us. Today, as we gather for one of the highlights of the USTP System 2025 Charter Day celebration, we embrace our theme, 100 years in the making, reliving the legacy, igniting dreams. This is not just a slogan, it is a reflection of our shared history and a call to action for our shared future.
Engineer Vito brings over 2 decades of leadership experience in engineering, manufacturing, and allied services.
Start by sharing with you a quote by 𝗶𝗶𝗃. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success.
And we'll start with our academic partners. We have from Central Mindanao University or CMU. Sir. For everyone, we are very proud, the regional office is very proud that USTP is among the globally ranked universities in both the 2025 Times Higher Education Impact Rankings and the World University Rankings for Innovation. And
ng ating USTP-CDO Medical Clinic. Ano po ito? We're 14,000 students plus 2,000 faculty students. Maaari na po nilang kunin ang kanilang preventive healthcare services dito mismo po sa USTP-CDO Medical Clinic. Ang bilang isang konsulta provider, nais ko lang pong gamitin pagkakataon, ipaalam, especially nandito ibang partners natin from the private and fellow public servants, yung inulunsad ng ating Pangulo sa nakaraang SONA, yung PhilHealth Yaman ng Kalusugan Program or PhilHealth Yakap.
Let us recognize that today is not merely about honoring our accomplishments and celebrating past successes. It is about reinforcing our partnerships and embracing the promising future we will shape together, as mentioned.